Hi all, game modes are an important part of your Unreal Engine levels. It defines how you can navigate and play in your level. In this video we will go through how to add and change your game mode. Game mode for each level is defined at the world settings. You can open the world settings from window world settings. Game mode override defines what is your game mode in current level. So right now I'm having game mode. Let's start the level and see how it looks like. So this game mode I can move with WASD and mouse rotates my camera. This is the default game mode. I have created this project by using Game's third-person template. So that's the reason why I'm also having the PP third-person game mode. In this game mode we have a UE mannequin and we can jump with spacebar and WASD. We can run different directions. You can add new game modes with that button, add new feature or content pack, and from here you can see a list of different game modes, first person, third person, and now I want to add first person game mode. After it has loaded, I can try it out by changing the game mode from here to first person, and let's see how it looks like. Play the game. AWSD, you can walk at the top of surfaces and mouse rotates the camera, and you can also jump with the spacebar. In first and third person game modes you need to have some kind of surface under your feet, otherwise you will drop in the space. Now I'm walking at the top of this floor object, and for the BIM objects they do not have colliders, and to be able to walk at the top of BIM objects we need to add colliders for them to prevent falling like this. So in my next video I will go through how to add colliders to BIM objects. Thanks for watching this video and remember to subscribe to see my next videos. See you, bye!